Nestled amidst the windswept pastures of southern Tasmania, the Point isn't just a house, it's a captivating exploration of materials and a celebration of nature's raw beauty. Designed by Tanner architects, the Point embodies a sense of history even before it comes into view. As you crest a hill, explains Stuart Tanner, the house unfolds before you, a stunning glass structure that seamlessly integrates with the wild landscape. The architects ensured the Point sat subtly within the rolling hills, its clean lines mimicking the natural contours of the land. Stepping inside, the contrast between the dark, textured concrete and pops of vibrant colors creates a dynamic visual experience. Scott Cordwell, director at Cordwell Built, highlights the importance of using elemental materials, concrete, stone, steel, timber, and glass, in their most authentic forms. This honesty and materiality allows the house to feel like it's always belonged here, a part of the land's rich history. But the Point is more than just aesthetics. Its position overlooking the ocean bathes the interior in ever-changing natural light, which saturates the stone and concrete surfaces. The architects cleverly took advantage of Tasmania's climate, unlike Queensland where homes need protection from the sun. Here, the goal was to create pockets where residents could soak up the warmth while sheltering from the wind. The interplay of these materials creates a sense of drama within the space. The raw, exposed elements, explains Tanner, add a touch of age to the house, grounding it further in its historical context. This interplay is further accentuated by the strategic use of color, which bursts forth against the darker hues of the concrete. Despite its seemingly simple structure, the Point is an engineering marvel. To achieve the expansive, open feel, the architects minimized structural supports. Instead, 5 massive concrete walls act as the foundation for the roof, which dramatically cantilevers outwards. This design choice not only creates a sense of openness but also transforms the roof into the house's defining feature, a sharp silhouette against the vastness of the Tasmanian landscape. The view, as Tanner concludes, is what truly takes your breath away, a constant reminder of the power and majesty of nature. The Point reminds us that a home can be more than just shelter. It can be a canvas for creativity, a connection to the environment, and a source of constant wonder. If you're ever in Tasmania, be sure to add the Point to your list of must-see locations. But wherever you call home, I hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the beauty of design and the power of nature. Thanks for watching.